All right, captain's log, a bad day, a bad season. Have to destroy the deck and all the plants that are around it and get it ready for a new septic system. Like I had nothing else to do with my money. So the furniture has been removed off the deck. This is the beauty of the plants, which we've actually kind of let go a little bit because we knew this was coming. It's been coming for a couple of months now, as that is our temporary fix. This beautiful 20-year-old hedge along the outside, the plants here, beautiful tree. I don't think there's any saving that. We'll try saving that bush there. Beautiful hydrangea. Again, the hedge. Some vines. Finally got the vines growing over there. And of course that can go. That's just our friend Mint. But anyway,